is high, we all really miss you. You should see the things we're all doing now. If you could see us, I know you'd be proud. I send letters to heaven for you to read, and hope that you'll write back to me with everything you see. Don't forget to send a postcard to me.
Hey, it's Keith. Yeah, just give me a call back. I have her phone, so I'll have it until tomorrow. My phone's dead right now. I'm not gonna be home for a while, so if you need to get home, you just call me. Alright, love you, bye.
I replay your voicemail from 2018. I listen to it all the time just to hear you speak. I'm waiting for that day so impatiently. We'll all be together with no empty seats. I send letters to heaven for you to read.